Hey, what's good? It's Pierre, licensed therapist, here to continue the Somatic Series where I'm helping people learn and map out their autonomic nervous systems, develop a healthier relationship with themselves, and build better, stronger community relationships. This is part 2 of the self-regulation chapter, which is all about how to regulate your emotions and your autonomic nervous system. So at this point, you might be like, Pierre, self-regulation and self-care sound really similar. Haven't I been doing self-regulation all this time? While self-care at its best does involve tending to your relationship with yourself, it's not quite the same thing as somatic work. Now, both self-regulation and self-care can include things that are meant to reduce your stress or meant to improve your wellness and health, right? One major difference between self-regulation and self-care is self-regulation always intentionally involves the autonomic nervous system. Intentionally learning how your personal autonomic nervous system works and how it communicates to you is an essential life skill. Self-regulation encourages you to check in with yourself somatically and then to intentionally choose to do things that matches what your body needs in that specific moment. And that's the difference between finding yourself crying in the club because you're overstimulated, but you were stressed, so you thought that maybe going out on the town was what you needed. Now compare that to figuring out what parts of your nervous system are activated, right? And getting to a place where you know exactly what you need to do to turn your critical thinking and your ability to connect with other people right back on. Also, the concept of self-care has been really commercialized and can tend to focus too much on spending money. True self-regulation is a reminder that a solid relationship with yourself and your body is not beyond your budget. The next part of this self-regulation chapter will be how to use your autonomic nervous system to regulate your emotions. If you are a licensed therapist and you're interested in learning how to incorporate somatic practices into your work, I offer clinical supervision and consultation appointments. All consultation supervision fees go directly into my pro bono practice. Speaking of my pro bono private practice, if this video chapter was interesting or helpful to you, please consider joining my $3 Patreon or consider sponsoring someone for my donation-based pro bono private practice where I provide free therapy to low-income Black people.